Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now. Open Display Settings and set the screen to the monitor's native resolution so pixels map correctly. Once set, check scaling and orientation because wrong scaling blurs UI. Next, open Device Manager and inspect display adapters to confirm the installed driver. Outdated or generic drivers cause resolution limits. If you see a Microsoft Basic Display adapter, make sure to download the correct driver from the manufacturer. These steps prevent wasted time chasing symptoms instead of the root cause. Once you have the right driver, update it deliberately. Download the OEM package for Windows 8. And match your GPU model. Then use Device Manager to update, choosing Browse My Computer and Let Me Pick to avoid generic drivers. If the screen still lists limited resolutions, uninstall the driver completely and reboot so Windows removes remnants. After reboot, install the manufacturer's package as administrator. This ensures correct registry entries and driver services load, which is why reinstalling often fixes stubborn resolution caps and scaling problems. Now finalize. Set the native resolution and the highest supported refresh rate in Windows, and verify the same in your GPU control panel so both agree. Make sure the monitor's on-screen display confirms the selected input and resolution. Mismatched inputs can force fallback modes. If problems remain, swap the video cable or try another port. Cable bandwidth and port type often limit resolution. If swapping fails, roll back the driver to a previous version. Sometimes the latest driver introduces regressions on older Windows 8. systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.